Hi. Today I'm presenting the project on CKY parsing and it is computers related questions. I'm Swapnil Bhasukar and my CW ID is 5030994. Uh, so to start with, in this project, context-free grammar and subsequent derivations are done. Context-free grammar is converted into CNF and afterwards CKY tables can be formed. And I'm using Python code to check or affirm that CKY calculations are done properly. And the outputs come in the form of Boolean if it is true or false. Then my code, let's say if the code is if the sentence is valid one, the output will come as true, or else it will come as false. And we are using NLP, and we can use this in AI chatbot also. And this is the CNF that I'll be using. So this is there in the document as well. So I'll not go through the entire thing right now. And these are the few valid sentences that we can do. Like, can you recommend me a book on Python? Can you recommend me a book on C, textbook on C? So I'm going to demonstrate the valid and invalid statements further as I go. And can you suggest a book to learn Java? What is machine learning? And a couple of them. And the invalid sentences can be like in book for Python or book for Java, use of the year diagram. So these are some of the invalid sentences. And next, I'm just going to I'm not putting in all the snapshots of the sentences that I've made the CKY tables for. But these are the couple of them. So here you can see, can you recommend me for Python? And when we get here, the end is an S. That means it is an accepted sentence. Uh, let's go here too. Let's go on the next page too. So here also we have S and BP. So this is accepted. Uh, as you can see here also, this is accepted too. And this is accepted. And these are the invalid statements. And where you see X here, where it's null. So that means this is not accepted. So for invalid sentences, we get X here, just like the previous one. And this is the Python implementation. So there are a couple of functions in it, like the read grammar one. So which reads the grammar from the grammar.txt file and split them based upon, based upon the or symbol or the arrow mark. And then there's a function for converting it to CNF. This is the function that runs. This has a couple of, like, let's say you have two non-terminals, then this is the loop that will break them into binary productions for later purposes. Uh, and then you have a function called CKY parse. So this is the main function which is used for CKY parsing to initialize the table with empty sets, and it'll fill the diagonals with non-terminals that generate the words. And this is the main CKY algorithm. There are a couple of for loops in it. The time complexity is 10 to the power 4, something like that, but this works, and still in the non-terminals. And then at the end, we have, if it is ending with dot or question mark, we do this too. And once you type exit, the program is going to break out of the loop and exit, and or else it'll keep accepting the sentences, and the result is a Boolean value, and it'll throw a true or false based on the sentences and which we are going to see. And I'm going to demonstrate it after the slides. And this is the output. For example, if you throw a valid sentence, can you recommend me a book on Python? The output comes as accepted true, or the machine learning accepted true. And let's say for invalid ones, it will come as accepted false, accepted false, accepted false. So this was the Python implementation and the output of the code. And these are the couple of references that I took, like from tutorials point, from research topics from GitHub, and of course the slides and videos that are there in our D12. And thank you so much. So let me now move on to the Python code. And okay, so this is the Python implementation that I have here. And let me just run this code once, and let's see if it can accept. So the first sentence is, can you recommend the book Python? This is the first sentence, and it shows like accepted true. That means the sentence is accepted by this. And can you recommend the textbook on C? It shows that it is accepted. Then let's say, what is machine learning? It says that is accepted. Let's say this. What is ChatGPT? So what does ChatGPT do for you? Is accepted. It is accepted also. And what algorithm is reinforcement learning? That is accepted too. And let's say, what is your diagram used for? And that is accepted too. So here were the few examples that we saw. And then now we'll look for, let's see the sentences which were invalid. For example, give me book for Python. So this now say this throws as accepted false, and then book for Java. This gives false too. Uses of your diagram, and this gives false too. And then once I type exit, and now it exits the loop. And this is the grammar.txt file that we have now. And I'll be sharing everything on the D12. And this is my document that I have made, which has introduction, CNF, what is CGF, CG, some of the valid sentences, invalid sentences, and here I've broken down of how it is coming as yes, S, and how it is coming as SLVP. I've broken down every detail of it. And similarly, if I let's scroll down for invalid sentences too, how and why it is coming as X. I've shown it here in the document, and here is the Python implementation that he has, Francis. And thank you so much. Thanks a lot.